Mom's gonna cross that thing. Put on that way. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah. You put it.
Ew.
Cross it.
I want to get it up close.
Right here. Someone will cross.
Then would you touch
It's a
it?
dead bird. Yes, I want you to touch it.
God, I'm gonna touch it. He's gonna touch the dead bird.
Huh?
He's gonna touch the dead bird.
Nathan's. And he touched his beak. Ew.
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 Dude, that.
Hey, no,
I'm gonna see the claws.
Okay, I'm gonna go and bring it over so that people can see it. Oh my God, Nate! Wait, what's happening? I bring it over to the baby. There's a baby hat.
Oh, bring it to the cat. Yeah. Wait until a cat.
Oh, bring it downstairs to his house.
It's saying I will. No, bring it to a cat.
Oh my.
His eyes been inside.
Ew, it's moldy. It's moldy.
I'm gonna touch it egg.
Oh my God. He ripped off his leg. Ripped off another part of his body.
No! It's his leg.
No! Yes.
Oh my gosh, look, you can see a skeleton. Look, you see. I know, it's cool.
Nathan, rip off something.
Wait, I'm gonna go and get a scissors.
No, get a knife.
Rip off his wing.
Get a knife.
Okay. They ripped off his leg.
Oh my God. That's a weird leg.
Let me get the claw.
What is that, Nathan?